Hey guys, this is Eric.
From enquirers. Welcome to our channel. I am going to present to you today a car tire lock, which is a very unique lock with different keys like this. Let me show you the key first. This is a car key with a different pattern on it. I hope you guys can watch it. And this is the car lock. Brand name is Interfalcon. It's a branded company, and it is 100% manufactured in India. So let me show you the key lock, where what is the unique key. So when you lock this, and this is how it opens, and here you can see the slots. This is actually the size. If you have a big car or big tires to lock this, so you can adjust it and just lock it up. So this is now is locked, completely locked. So it's that simple actually, and this is how you can simply open it up. So guys, I hope you like this product. If you need this product, this may be little bit higher in price according to the rest of the market, because this product is slightly different from other products. The reason behind is this, that we have a different pattern lock in this key, and just because of this it is more secure and lot more safer for your car. So your car, I really believe that your car safety is more important than or difference of 100 or 200 rupees. If you buy a cheap lock, it may be that risky, because most of the cheap locks have the same key, so the robbers can easily unlock your car tire lock and steal your car. So if you want to be a safer side, just don't look at the cheaper side. Just go for the Interfalcon's car lock. Remember this logo. This is the Interfalcon's logo. It's a company registered in the USA, so it just means a very great product. So thanks for your viewing the video. If you need this car lock, you can click down below the link, and you can just send me the hi on the WhatsApp. Thank you.